All right, so this is the 1st of May. We're here, Wednesday. We had a few news. Um, a few news that came out. We had this 8:15 and 8:30, and some um, yearly bond notes and yearly notes and bonds. We do have a news at 9:45, 10. We have the JOLTS news. They said this is important. I still don't know what this means, but I just know that a lot of the people that I follow it a lot. This is for if you're trading crude oil, and then here, what most people would be looking for is the FOMC and Powell at 2:30. So today may be a slower day for many traders. Maybe right after the first 30 minutes or so, the market will slow down. I believe it was Powell when I've last checked, but I don't see his name now. Let's see if there's anything that shows that he is the one that's speaking today. No, I could have sworn it said Powell when I checked. All right, but I don't see his name. I thought he was speaking. Maybe he is, maybe he isn't. Uh, all right. Anyway, so let's go over my charts real quick. So this is the 30-minute chart. I have my value areas, high and lows, and point of control. This is the um, I turned off overnight sessions, so you can see the extended hours on this one, and I'm able to pinpoint the areas of controls and areas that I'm interested in. Right now, the market is trading around 550.52, so which means around here. We came down to this point of control from Thursday and bounce. I'll show you on the 5-minute chart, which is over here. I zoom out. All right, we came down to it, bounce, came back to it again, and I was looking for a potential trade. I was hoping for a deeper prior movement lower before getting into it. Um, so right now we had an 8:15 news around here. This is the 8:15 news candle move. And then we had an 8:30 news. As you saw, we had a few 8:30 news that came out, and prices continue higher. Looking for a potential reversal up here. Price has been moving lower since yesterday, I guess. Moved lower drastically yesterday. All right, so look at see if we can come here, retest it, and then push down a little lower. This is the area of my main area of interest is 50.22, as you can see. So aiming for this level here, hopefully breaking point of control. So from here to here is about 20 points, and then another 20 points. I do have my ADR levels. It's just a level that sometimes price respects it greatly and reverses. I do have my settlement price from yesterday, which is another area where price could reject. We'll go back to my 5-minute chart. All right, so looking to see if price can come up and reject something around here, show signs of rejection, and then continue lower. All right, main goal, like I said, would be this value area low here or this ADR level here, and then if it decides to continue, but based off of let me put this side to side, based off of the daily actually looks better with it on. Based off of the daily, right, this would be the origin of the move from the 19th that pushed price higher, right? Even though we sold off, this is like the origin of the move because we gapped up and we just continued higher from there. So if price were to come way down here, which is 479, which would be about a 460, which would be about another 100, almost 100 point move. right? That would be pretty intense, but we'll see. With the minutes, we may push down here and then reverse back up, or we may push down and then just continue lower, right? Because we came from this area here where price initiated the higher movement. Let me go into a blank chart to show you what I mean. Even the line chart might be clearer. All right, if we look here to see that price moved, we can say that, well, price came from this area here. All right, and which is what potentially caused this move. Go back to a candle chart and we'll say that, okay, well, yeah, looks like this is where it came from. All right, and as you can see, if you draw this, you can see that price bounced from there nicely, held, why do I have this up here like that? Something that grabbed it. All right. Oh, because I put it on the one on the far right. That's right. I put it over here. All right. Came up and bounced and held and discontinued higher. So if price does decide to come back down here, you would have to see if buyers were willing to defend it and create like a form of a double bottom in a sense and push price higher. If not, then we're starting to look at each block lower. First we have to clear this, but this goes right into this, right? And then the next block will be here, and then and so on and so on, right? Here, yeah, here. This bounce from that pushed up, so this origin will probably be more so here, right? But I don't think the market's gonna crash this hard. That would be a lot. That would be a ton of fear in the market. So that's it for today. I'm gonna go over on the confluence. That's it for today with ES. I'll go over the confluence real quick with NQ. So with NQ is at value area low, which is down here, or a previous value area high, and ES is moving up as well, but how do I explain this? Let's go into, if I go into a higher time frame, it'll make it a little clearer. See what I'm looking at. All right, so E and Q dropped lower from here, right, from overnight session. ES is below it, and Q looks like it's trying to breach it. And then I have VIX over here that is holding this level. So it's like a lot of like confluence in the same direction. I need VIX to show an opposite direction of ES, or ES, one of the two needs to be showing an opposite direction. They're all going the same direction, so it means that I don't know which way to trade this completely. I can try to just follow ES and NQ, but I do like when VIX and ES are moving together, are moving opposite of one another, because it'll give me better opportunities. Kind of like let's see if I can find it, like here where price hit the top and dropped down and ES moved up. All right, that's this over here, right? So just looking for these bit of changes. Here I missed this trade completely. I didn't look at this daily. What price held and then dropped, and you can see that VIX held and then moved up higher. So anyways, like I said, that's it for today. I'm going to stop streaming and prepare mentally for the trading day. May not take any trades, may stay on the sidelines, or I might take 1 or 2 trades. Hopefully just 1 or 2 and no more than that.